Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Harmony One coin. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of Harmony One broke out the resistance of an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it was retesting the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern that was working previously as a resistance, and after the breakout was working as a support, and while retesting the price line failed and moved under this resistance once again. And in today's video we will analyze, are we going to move more down, or is there any possible reversal move from here? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start this analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart, and then I'll take you to the daily time frame chart where we got that head and shoulder pattern. On the weekly time frame, we are moving in a rising wedge pattern, very big rising wedge pattern. And here for a while the price line broke down the support of this rising wedge, but recovered back, and we can see that the price line is already moving above this exponential moving average at 21 and 10 as well. And if the EMA 10 moves above the EMA 21 and both moving averages are moving below the price line, then these moving averages can work as a very strong support, and we still have these supports. Now let's move to the daily life time frame chart, and here we can see, even though we are moved down under this resistance of inverse head and shoulder pattern, this was the resistance for a while, we moved up but we are rejected, and we are again moved down under this resistance, but still it is also moving in an up channel as well. Here we have the resistance of this up channel on the daily time frame, and this is the support of this up channel. And right now you can see that the price line is testing the support of the up channel. And if we take a look at the RSI with the combination of this up channel and the movement of the price line, then we can see that RSI right now is forming lower than previous low, but the price line is forming higher low than previous low. We first formed this low, another low, another low, and the recent low is being formed higher than previous low, and therefore we also have a hidden bullish divergence on this chart. Therefore there is a possibility that the price line will be reversed from the support of the channel, and in case it reaches again the resistance of the channel, that will be approximately here at 42 cents, and if we will break it out, the resistance of this channel, then it can move up to the resistance of this rising wedge that will be approximately at 48 cents. Let me place these trend lines at the same weekly time frame chart. Then we can see here we have the resistance of the channel, and here we have the support. Right now we are here, and first we need to break it out. This resistance of this up channel, that is really very close to this resistance of the rising wedge pattern as well. And in case of breaking out the rising wedge pattern, our next target can be, if I place this trend line at the breakout point, that will be a very huge target, by the way. Yeah, if I place it here, then we can see that will be approximately $47. That is really insane target. Now if we watch, if the price line breaks down the support of this channel, then where the price line can move down, it can move down at the support to retest the support of this rising wedge pattern again. And in case of that situation, it can move up to approximately 19 to 20 cents. And here we also have a very nice support, because previously when we had this swing low, then here price line also found a support as well, and you can see that previously this support level has been working as a resistance as well. Therefore this level can work as a strong support, that is approximately at 13.5 cents. However, I'm expecting that in case we will be moved down, we can have a reversal from this EMA 21, because it is not broken down, and we are having a bull cross between the EMA 10 and 21 as well. And while these moving averages are in bull cross, they can work as a very strong support for the price line as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.